Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can join two or more paths in your Figma design. So let us get started and show you how to do it really quickly. Access your design or project on Figma. Let me go with that website design here for demonstration purposes, and let me also zoom in to that area so that we may add a couple of paths to that area here. So let me zoom in even more. So in the first step, guys, what you want to do is add your first path. To do that, click on that pen tool at the bottom, select it, or use the shortcut P for that. Let me zoom in even more, and draw or set your start point for your first path with your left mouse, and set the end point by clicking again. So that's our first path resembling a straight line. Let me click off right clicking and add a second path, this time a curved or bent line. Again, set a starting point with your left mouse, set the end point with your left mouse as well, but this time hold your left mouse and move your mouse to apply a curving or bending effect like this. So find your preferred effect, just like that, and right click to click off again. So now, as you can see, guys, we got two paths, two vectors, two separate vectors, a straight line and a curved line. And if you pay attention to that list of layers to the left, guys, you will see one vector and another one. And now you would like, or we would like, to join both of them and merge them into one vector and path. To do that, switch from the pen tool at the bottom to the move tool, and after that bulk select both vectors. You may do that, for example, by drawing a bounding box around them, just like that, or alternately left click into one of them here in the list of layers, press and hold left shift and select the second one as well. So you may use one of these methods, and after that simply head over to that customization panel to the right, and here at the top you will see the amount or the number of selected items, which in this case here are these two vectors. And to the right you will see a feature called Boolean operations next to that union icon here. If you click on that arrow down icon, guys, select flatten or use the shortcut Alt-Shift-F to merge both vectors into one. So now it resembles one vector. So for example, if you click on it and select it, you will be given the opportunity to move it, to edit it as one vector. So let me zoom in a bit more to show you how you can join both paths in detail, guys. So what you want to do is double click into one of your lines or vectors, just like that. And after that, you will see that selection with these start and end points. And basically what you need to do, guys, is combine or snap both endpoints so that they are combined or merged. So left click into one of these points. Let me go with that one here. Left click, hold your left mouse and drag one of your path to the next one till it snaps. So the best option would be to simply release your left mouse once the one endpoint is above the other. You will see also that small cross icon here indicating that they can snap, just like that. So now they resemble one start or end point. Let me zoom out a bit and zoom into the other end of these vectors, and again select one endpoint, hold your left mouse, move it to the second or to the other endpoint till it snaps, till you see that little cross icon here. Let me just zoom in even more to show you how it looks like. As you can see, now both points have been merged. Basically, both vectors now have merged, both paths. Now, guys, if I, for example, select the hand tool here, click off and select the path again, you will see that it will be movable or editable as one vector and as one path. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.